What is the thing you do right after you use shampoo? If you're a normal person, the answer is probably use conditioner, right? But something you may not have thought about is why a bio-based conditioner is a huge deal and why 2-in-1 conditioners suck. So today, despite being easier or faster or convenient or whatever it is, we're gonna talk about why 2-in-1 conditioners just kind of suck and why nobody under any circumstances should use them. So stick around. Now to the conspiracy theorists out there, of course you're gonna think that someone's gonna say 2-in-1 shampoos / conditioners are gonna suck because they're trying to sell you multiple bottles of stuff or you end up spending more money. And although it is true, there is something fundamentally wrong with something like a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner that you cannot argue with. So let's dive into it, okay? First of all, 2-in-1 shampoos / conditioners, they try and do two things. Duh. They attempt to clean and hydrate your hair and scalp all at the same time. Now there is a huge problem with this, specifically with the all at the same time part. The problem is the combination of these things, the cleaning and hydrating, is impossible to do at once. To clean your hair and scalp means to strip away the old, dirty, used oils that your hair and scalp use to keep it hydrated and flexible and to protect it from the environment or heat or anything like that. Conditioning means adding clean versions of those oils to do exactly the things I mentioned earlier. If you're paying attention, you'll realize that those two things cannot coexist. You cannot remove oils and add oils at the same time. So how do 2-in-1 shampoos / conditioners try and do this? Well, they use a peculiar combination of ingredients. First of all, 2-in-1 shampoos and conditioners, they combine sulfates. Sulfates are the man-made artificial sulfuric acid salts that are very powerful detergents and foamers, which are really good at stripping away and removing oils, often too many oils, causing your skin and hair and stuff to feel dry, but we'll save that for another video. The point is, sulfates, which are often added to shampoos, strip away oils. Well, they combine those sulfates and detergents and things like that with moisturizers and conditioners in the same bottle. Those things are supposed to replace the stripped away oils that sulfates strip away. Well, combining these two ingredients is like a paradox because they are actively trying to negate each other. And by using both at the same time in a combined 2-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, whatever, neither of them can do their job very well because they're constantly being fought by the other. And at best, what they're gonna do is unevenly condition or clean certain parts of your hair and scalp. What you really should do is the thing you know you should do, which is just use two different products. Now, it doesn't even really matter all that much if you use a shampoo with sulfates or if you use a separate conditioner or anything like that, as long as you're using them at different times. Now, if you suffer from dry hair or scalp anyway, then you're gonna want to go for a sulfate-free kind of shampoo, something like Volt's shampoo, because we use the naturally derived version of sulfates, which are called sulfonates, which can be found in things like coconuts. And those are just a lot more gentle on the oils in your skin and your scalp as opposed to how the man-made sulfates are. But the point is, what you're doing is you need to first strip away the oils and wash away those oils before you add the hydration and the moisturizing of something like a conditioner. That's the only way to make it the most effective at cleaning and conditioning your hair, scalp, skin, everything. Would you put on lotion, skin lotion, in the shower? Probably not, right? Because the water is trying to strip away the moisture you're adding to the skin. In the same way, the 2-in-1 shampoos and conditioners try and fight each other, and it just becomes a big mess, which is why people do not recommend any really 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, and why we don't either. If you are looking for a good conditioner or shampoo out there, we would consider trying Volt because everything here is natural. It's going to be gentle on your skin and your scalp. We don't use sulfates. All of the ingredients, even in our conditioners, are bio-based, and we even combine things like vitamin B5, which further help condition and smooth your hair shafts and everything like that. But the thing is, it doesn't matter what kind of products you use as long as you use them in the correct order. Because combining two things that are trying to do the opposite things don't really make it any better. And that is why you shouldn't use 2-in-1 shampoos and conditioners. So overall, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you learned something today about what kind of ingredients that go into these shampoos and conditioners, how they work and interact with each other, and why you really shouldn't consider them as an option. So if you guys enjoyed this video, if you learned something here today, hit that like and subscribe button. It helps out the channel. If you have questions for us regarding any of our products, regarding what we've said here in this video, regarding any other grooming questions, just leave those in the comments below. We'll get back to you there, and we may also create a full-length video for it on this channel in the future. So once again, thank you guys for watching. I'll have links to all the products and everything in the description below, and I will see you in the next video.